Hey, oi! Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's an amazing day. It's a rich day. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Yeah, daily freaking uploads here, dig. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? You can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. You guys want to get a business course, you guys want to start a business, you don't have one. If you do have a business and you further want to enhance it, you got to go with the course we have in the description box. We got a one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. We got an amazing American apparel at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go check us out. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification and share this too. Because, this is video right here. This is something... You see, it's different. We actually have more energy. It's just quite different. Because, before day 3 of the dry fast, we did not have much energy. And now we have more energy than day 4. One of the things about the dry fast and they don't tell you is that you're more sensitive to temperature change. Like that little bit of coldness it's a lot more colder to you. Had to cut the heat on. Even I'm shirtless and stuff. Because I'm going to put my clothes back on and then take my dog out. Then I'm going to shower, whatnot. Then do some coaching, challenge for Grant Cardone. Yeah. But day 3 was a lot. I wanted to film more. But I was just so tired at some points. And two, had other people in the same environment who were just loud and not respectable of one's practices. So yeah. Part the video, looking at my body, stomach is smaller, everything, my stomach's retracting because I haven't been eating. So it's like I was pushing it out when I was trying to push it out. It's like it's not even pushing out really. Body is healing. Look at this on my finger. Can't see. Get it to focus. It's a little mark. I got this on the day of. It was fast. I was in the shower and I got this. I'm not even sure how. I don't even know what it was. I just saw blood, a little bit of blood on a curtain shower. So, a little bit of blood on a curtain shower. Let me see if I get this light. Then y'all can see it. Well, there it is. A little bit of blood on a curtain shower, and I was like, what the frick? And I saw it was on my washcloth. And I said, where the hell am I bleeding at? And I saw it was on my fingers, blood coming off. I said, oh my gosh, there's blood. I don't even know how, what was there, what was done, but hey, man's bleeding. Started doing some urine therapy on it. First it was stinging because I guess it was cleaning it out. You know what I'm saying? But it's been healing. It should be healed before I finish this 10-day dry fast. I think I said something like I was gonna shower. I didn't get a chance to shower yet because I was fatigued. But right now I gotta finish my vision board. I was looking at my vision board, and then what the frick happened is so close to like zooming in, and when you zoom in, it starts all the way at the top, and then I couldn't finish my point, so I went down and get some sleep. But yeah, so I gotta finish that. Then I'm gonna take my dog out. Then I'm gonna shower. Yeah, but right now I got 22 hours until day 5, so we're less than halfway there. You know, this is the furthest we've ever gotten with a dry fast before on day 4. But we do have more energy. It's just like amazing. Maybe it's because our body like pushed past to the healing point. Our body pushed past to the healing point. And I guess it's just looking to put itself back together, because before, you know, it's very fatigued because it's like trying to fix things that need to be fixed. So now here it is, I have more energy. I know you guys can watch the videos previously and just see the difference. I haven't seen them, but I just do remember filming them. So it's like, wow, who would have thought? Oh, I forgot to tell you. Y'all saw Feathers Up. We not just talking it, we actually living it. American Pride. Still got our feathers up. I think yesterday I tried to do some type of combat work that I do. I did my rose my leg, but it was just like a lot of stuff I really didn't have energy for. I said, yeah, I'm glad I had a hard workout before I started my dry fast. And one of the things is too, after I had that hard workout, the next day I was like, all right. But then like on day 2, whatever, I felt like pain in my back, you know, like on my muscles, whatever. I think my body was like healing from the hard workout. So yeah. And you know, one thing too, I said I was gonna say this for another video. I did. I don't know if I upload the one video that I'm talking about, but it was like I was very angry. I was very angry at this hater as hybrid, and I wanted to see him a certain type of way because I just wanted to see him directly, just as how he was looking at me. Because you know they say that looks can kill. That's where this looks were coming from. But when I started to fast, I don't know, beginning to critically think a little bit more. My thoughts was thinking in because I had a lot less energy. You guys saw it in the video. So it's just like, But when I did walk and I did happen to see him, he didn't see me. But one thing is, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make sure I'm right. You know, this fast is done is to get some answers. Gotta get some answers, some more clarity. Can't be stuck, gotta challenge yourself, constantly gotta improve. You guys want answers, you guys want clarity, you guys want to change your health. Here it is. I know a lot of people just talk about this fasting type of stuff. It's just a physical thing. It's not, that's a lie. I'm here to tell you that's a lie. You guys seen what we done the 3-day dry fast. You guys seen all our videos, about 24 videos. But look here. Look here. That dry fasting, yo. Yeah. Yeah. It's a detoxing of the mind. It's a detoxing of the mind as well as the body. It's all connected. Don't let anybody ever tell you you're different. It's another reason why with European dominated Western medical industry, they always try to get you to think, oh, it's your arm, or whatever. With your arm, if you got arm problems, you know, it could throw off your other arm. You can throw off your balance. Same way with the ear infection. You can't even walk right if you got an ear infection, because I know I had one. I remember slipping in the shower. My balance messed up. You know what I'm saying? You're obese, your vision. You can't see right. It's all connected. If it was just excess weight, you have problems with blood circulation, digesting food, hair growth, you go bald. All this stuff is connected. Your teeth, unhealthy hygiene. So a lot of stuff they don't talk about, but everything, I'm gonna tell you like this, everything's connected. And so I'm so glad I get to film this stuff and get to showcase this stuff to y'all, and y'all get to see this, you dig? But yeah, if y'all want to work with somebody that's actually doing this, actually done this, it's been near to the stuff that I recommend my clients, you can book a one-on-one consultation. Send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. You can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We post on a regular there. Get with our business course, make a change for your life for the better. You dig? Because especially in this Corona times, these job stuff, it's no certainty about a job. No certainty at all. And because especially, gotta have mandatory vaccines. And these vaccines, they're not trying to. Come on, man. Let's just be critical. What are the same people from the Tuskegee experiment? Now, what are they doing to y'all? Now they want to give y'all vaccines. Y'all keep failing. Y'all gonna have to learn the hard way. So yeah, you need to become an entrepreneur. You need to start a business. Get with the business course in the description box below. You know, you guys want to get a one-of-a-kind artwork, you can get it at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, or you can just, and as well get our apparel, our American apparel. We got hats, caps, socks, hoodies, t-shirt, all at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this with people who need this. Because you know somebody who needs this. Peace, love, and light. Shoot, you need this.